So hello friends, I am Sushobhan Nayak here, and today we are going to unbox Seagate 1 TB wired external hard disk. So as you can see, I have bought this from Snapdeal, and I will leave a link in the description box below. So this one is a 1 TB wired external hard disk, black in color. You can also get this in 2 TB variant. It comes with connectivity USB 3.0 and 2.0 support. It weighs around 181 grams and has 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. Really, it's a light one, and one can carry it easily anywhere. You also get a USB cable enclosed in the box. So as you can see, it's working great. Thanks for watching, hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel.